front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit Display. Then scroll again. Tap on Easy Mode and use gray switcher next to Easy Mode to activate it. Then adjust those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. To disable it, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher next to Easy Mode feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!